from quite a long time. And यहाँ पे खाना अच्छा मिलता है. It's quite affordable and the food is always great. We have different kinds of food all the time. यहाँ पे wraps मिलते हैं, यहाँ पे brown burgers मिलते हैं, which is something very different. And we have multi-grain breads and we have wheat breads, so it is very healthy as well.
With regular customers, I'm a regular customer here because मैं यहीं पढ़ता हूँ पास में, and it is quite affordable for a student and the quality is also good, and the burgers don't give you the feel that you're eating junk food. It's very healthy, the multi-grain bread that is there, and my favorite burger is the hot paneer burger. I just love the Indian twist to a burger, and yeah, I love the place. It's a great place.
Though we have come here many times, but not even once did we feel that their quality has gone down or we didn't like it. Plus, coming from other cities, we were looking for places which would serve good food, but we couldn't go to such place. But this has been our go-to place, so we really like it.
तो ज़्यादातर हम लोग यहाँ पे प्रेफर करते हैं ट्रॉपिकाना फ्राइज़, चोको क्रंच शेक और पनीर एक्सोटिका पिज़्ज़ा. तीनों ही मेरे हिसाब से यहाँ पे सबसे बेस्ट है. थैंक यू.
I have been coming here since a week. I had tasted 2 to 3 burgers over here, but my favorite is cheesy jalapeno. And if I get to choose any option for breads in this price range, then I would prefer multigrain because it is quite healthy and I get to eat my favorite food in a more healthier version.
મલ્ટીગ્રેન બ્રેડનો ઓપ્શન રાખેલો છે જે હેલ્ધી છે, ત્યારે હું જમ્બો બર્ગર એન્જોય કરી રહી છું. હેલ્થ માટે સારું છે.
I love brown burger because અહીંયા હું 2 વર્ષથી રહું છું આનંદ વિદ્યાનગરમાં. ઘરથી દૂર રહેવું એક બહુ મોટી ચીજ છે. હોસ્ટેલમાં રહેવું, ખાવાની પ્રોબ્લેમ પડે ત્યારે લંચ ડિનર માટે બહુ બેસ્ટ જગ્યા છે અહીંયા. ને સ્પેશિયલી બર્ગર માટે બહુ બધી ચોઇસીસ મળે છે બ્રેડમાં. તો આનાથી બેટર જગ્યા મેં કોઈ નથી જોઈ વિદ્યાનગરમાં, ને ધીસ ઇઝ બેટર ફોર એવરીવન.
આ પ્લેસ હમણાં જ મને ખબર પડી કે લાસ્ટ ફ્યુ મંથ્સથી ખુલ્લી છે એન્ડ
and I come here very often, and the food is fabulous. It is amazing, and અહીંયા આવો તો please અહીંયાની garlic bread and
Tropicana fries.
Yes,
Tropicana fries.
that
try
is
to-
like must try. Must try. It is really amazing. Please do visit.
Hi guys, how you found about this place and just let us know how you feel about this food.
Hello. Actually, I got to know about brown burger by my friends. Then after we are searching for options, more options, like something new,
And
something.
we saw the same place at Zomato, so
Yeah,
we thought why not to check it out.
And, I'm kind of a milk person. I like milkshakes a lot. So I saw the menu of this thing, and I got to know there are various of this thing options available over here. So I tried Choco Brown over here, which has some brown crumbs over it, which is adding to the awesome taste of it.
Yeah, and I had a burger. I really like spicy food, so I went with the herb chili burger. And yeah, there were like there were options to choose the bread, and I like that healthy options.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so I went with the wheat one and really like the taste.
It's kind of, you can have some snacks also with a diet option. You can couple away your diet. You can have your cheat day daily. That's I think everyone is searching for that thing.
Yeah.
So this is a good option.
That's nice. Thank you guys.
Thank you.